Sit down.
What is that? Happy Valentine's Day, cutie.
Look, Mommy.
Yes.
That's Spidey.
Yeah?
Look, Mama Tiny.
Yeah.
Hey.
Uh-oh. I see it going. I see it going. Oh, dear. You want to open it up?
Yeah.
All right, let's take off the nose. What do you think's in this nose? What do you think? Go ahead. Oh, she's... No, just what's in there? Wow.
It's because it's chocolates.
Ooh. What do you think?
I got it. Look, I got a chocolate baby.
Wow, Callie. That's awesome. What do you think? Do you think there might be some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, Callie. What do you want to check?
Oops. Yeah. Oh,
What do you want to
yeah.
do
Let's
next?
open.
Teddy bear?
Let's open.
Open the teddy bear.
Oh my goodness! Look.
Holy moly.
Look, Mommy.
I see that. From the movie Home, huh?
And a movie.
Yeah.
Let's open.
Okay. Open the teddy bear. Go ahead. Don't worry about it.
Oh my goodness! Look how cute! That's chocolate tree.
What are those?
Look. Look.
Pretty cool.
I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. You gonna open something else?
Yeah.
What else is there?
Let's open the eyes.
There's more in those. Okay, those are just, what's in here maybe? Oh no, don't grab my ear.
Oh my goodness! Look how cute!
What? Oh, what are they?
That's a cake!
Show us, what'd you get?
Look!
Ooh.
Is that a donut?
Let's try Let's try here. Oh my goodness! Look how cute!
Show us, what'd you get?
Oh my goodness! Look how cute!
Callie, what is it?
Show us.
That's the picnic.
Picnic
Aw.
pie.
This is
Where's the donut?
This is Melody. Let's try. Get up beside the table. Oh my goodness! Look how cute!
What is it?
Oh my goodness!
Want me to show you?
Look!
Let me show you what it is. It's lip gloss. Do you see that?
Yeah. Wow, I can see that egg.
Okay.
Ooh, I can't see that. Look, can see that chocolate. That's a Stevie egg. That's an egg.
Wow.
Where? Egg.
There you go. Is that
Look
all?
at my egg.
Is there something in there?
Look at my egg.
I see it. Here.
Look at my egg.
See it? You want some help?
Look at my egg.
Okay.
Look at my egg.
What's in there?
Open.
Okay.
Oh my.
She's speechless. Yeah? Blind bag?
It's shocking. The puppy dog. Oh my goodness. A big SpongeBob here. Some here. A giant egg. That's where it's flying back. Look at my face.
Holy smokes! You want some help?
Oh my goodness!
That is a Lala Loopsy Tinies.
Oh, yeah. Sophia, it's behind back. And
Ooh,
oh my goodness!
that is Vivian.
Vivian,
Yeah.
that's Iron Man. Oh my goodness!
Is it this one right here?
Yeah.
All right.
Look, it's a funny mug. It's Hello Kitty for Iron Man. Let's open. Let me open. Let me open.
There we go.
Good job.
Nicely done.
Oh, come on. That's for Iron Man. Open. Can I open? Can I open?
Good.
This is
Ooh.
it's
This one.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Something's for Iron Man.
Shopkins blind bag.
Oh my goodness! Look how cute!
What is? Oh, it's a necklace. Oh my goodness.
That's for Iron Man. Open!
Do you want to wear it?
Open!
Be nice. Open, please.
Can I see?
This is Princess Palace Pets. Who's that?
Oh my goodness.
Who is it? I think that belongs to
That's
Snow White.
Puppy.
This is called Soft Spots.
Oh my goodness. That's green puppy.
Yeah, oh, there's something else in here. What's this? Look.
Hey.
Maybe. And there's a little note.
There's a treasure map. Zipper.
Is it?
Big puppy.
It says something in a different language. And you are a star. There you go. Mom will do it for you. It's cute. Very nice. Let's set it down over there.
Oh, Kelly's Travels Piano Bag. Open. It's Callie.
Sheriff Callie. Oh, good.
It's a ballerina. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. My table. And open. Oh my goodness! Look how cute it is.
Oh, look. Cinderella's, I think.
Look, we have here. What's the number one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, the one.
open!
It is.
Open! Yep. Oh my goodness!
Oh, look, it's the one that sits in the taco. That's hilarious. Is it a chihuahua?
Ta-da!
Oh, it's cute. There you go.
Open!
It is open.
Open!
It is.
Open!
Liar.
What have here SpongeBob SquarePants?
Yeah. Which one is it? Whoa, that's... I don't think that's one that's on here. Yeah, that's a dad thing for sure. Oh, here's the rainbow part. Here's a rainbow.
There's pants on. There's his pants. And his eyes. You want to put his eyes
How
on?
much money?
Mommy, open a puppy, please.
Let's save it over
Open
here.
the
We'll put it
puppy,
together.
please.
It is open.
Open it.
See? What is it? Let me see.
That's a puppy.
Oh, it's a little puppy in my pocket. It's furry. You see that? It's furry. Is there a flyer you're looking for? Oh, there is. Okay, let's set this aside and we'll figure out what it is. What's that? Oh, that's another soft spot.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah?
That's the puppy purple.
Look, it's just like this one. Hi, I have spots. It's cute. Oh. What does it say? Okay.
There is a puppy. There is a purple puppy.
Is that what it says? It also says, play a sport. Oh, that's true for you.
The fireman. Yay! This is a puppy. Oh, yeah,
Ooh.
oh my goodness! Look how cute.
What is it? Was it a soft kitty cat? Oh, it's a soft kitty cat.
Open.
Okay.
Open the man, please.
Uh-oh, that's another one to do with Dad today.
Oh my goodness.
You want to give those to Dad and we'll put them together?
No.
No? And then you can open these.
It doesn't work.
He's got
Open.
one. Okay, it is.
It's a little puppy. Oh my goodness. Look how cute.
Oh, it's the little bird. The bird is called Sundrop.
Open.
It is open. Look. Here. I'll
Open.
Save the flyer. No. Oh, only got you a little frustrating one time. Yep. We'll build that one with Daddy. And you got these ones to go. Here, I'll take them for you, okay? Hello, Kitty.
It's a climb.
Oh. What do you think it is?
It's a Hello Kitty.
That one is right here. They're little overalls. There we go. I'll set it right here for you. And I'll put it right here.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, you got Stitch. You don't have Stitch. You have these ones, look at over here. These ones, this one, and this one, and that one.
Yeah.
Another piece.
Yeah,
Mommy, open.
I'll find it later.
This is trading collector cards for your Shopkins. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. Look, you got a sparkly lip gloss. These are pretty cool. Okay. These are... Want some help? This says it's a stack and display case with mystery ones in there.
Oh my goodness! Open!
Okay.
Open up!
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this.
It's bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Open!
I did.
Open!
Let me finish what I'm doing. Ooh, I don't know what that one is, do you?
Open!
Okay. It's not a duplicate. You have been very lucky with these. Need some help? Okay. This is Figaro.
I like this one.
Figaro. Figaro. It's got a little fish bowl, Callie. Look at that. Watch. That is the cutest thing ever. Yeah, that's Figaro. That's right. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look.
Callie, are those the squishy ones?
These are Ugly Pet Shop.
Those are my favorite, Callie.
Who's that? Ew. Who's that?
Papa, we yucky.
Yeah? Oh, he's in the extra gross, I think. Oh, he's in the slimiest. And
It's
his
the one.
name is...
Ew.
Oh, maybe he's in the grossest. Oh, his name is Pugly. Okay, there's Figaro. Take that. This is open. Hooray! These are duplicates for you, but that's okay. You can trade them. That's okay.
So here you go. It's this rubber.
There's one. Callie, what's this one?
Didi, what's this one?
What's this one called?
Didi, what's this one? That's a poop.
AKA pancake with syrup. Oh my gosh.
I'm over here, I am there.
We're almost done, Callie. Don't be sad it's over. Be happy it happened. What about this guy? Yeah, we got a couple of duplicates. That's fine. This is it, Callie. we'll open these and then this, look, this is your last one. You want to open it? Here, let Mama start it for you. Ooh, maybe one more. Patience, patience. Just this part. Jumped ahead, didn't you? Here. Like this. More stuff to do with Dad. Look at, it's a little checkout stand. And it comes with 2 shopkins. Can you get them?
No.
I see a trend here.
No, me.
No, help me.
Okay.
No, help me. You want to try to do it by yourself, don't you? Ooh, those are cool. And the stickers that go with it.
No, they open.
Yeah, we're gonna build that. Isn't that fun? Ooh, those aren't duplicates. No way.
I have here shopping.
Oh my gosh. What do you think? Is this a happy Valentine's Day for you? Did you have fun?
Dad.
Would you like to do a Play-Doh surprise again sometime?
No.
No? Look at all the stuff you got. Happy Valentine's Day, Callie. You say thank you?
Thank you.
Yay! Okay, now we can play with them.